Hey yo web traveler, today I have something special that I want to show you. I found a seller on AliExpress who is like the God Story goat, because he sells a lot of single cards from different sets of God Story, and not only like the cheapo stuff but also more hit cards. I haven't seen something like this before, like in the amount that he is selling. I reached out to him and I want him to show to you guys. We're gonna take a look at his store in a minute, but before that I have a special surprise pack that he assembled just for us web travelers, for me to open and for you to see. I made an order from him and that's the only card that we see now that I know that I'll got. We're gonna take a look at this beautiful card without the sleeve because reflections. So that's the back of the card, looking pretty good. I forgot her name, but it's One Piece, one of the greatest booba in the anime, one of. By the way, links to this seller will be in the video description. If you want to check out or support them, please do. I just think it's awesome that he has a lot of things to offer. I haven't seen someone do the same kind of thing, so that's the reason why I wanted to support him. I don't think, yeah, that's just a single. It's not from like a God Story box of any kind. At least I assume it is not. The shine is pretty cool. You can see, different patterns there. I sadly don't know from which anime that is. We have our second card and that's the same kind of card, and the third one. And I see the fourth one at the back. Then please let me know which anime that is, because I don't know. But the quality, man, the quality is good. I really love the shine. The shine is just awesome. And they're not thick. I mean, goddamn, I'm happy to see not the thick cards, And the last one from this kind of set. Alright, cool, single. They are somehow familiar, but I just can't remember which anime that is. I love the colors, man. I'm in love with those. And then we have the God Story. So the true God Story, but you know what I mean by that. It's even sleeved. Thank you so much for that. That is an S5 MO5, so I expect us to have a lot of them. That's also from the same set, I just remember. Because I also have a lot of them. I opened a few NS5 MO5 in the history of God Story, of my history with it. Alright, so that's yet again an S5 MO5, that's Fate, I believe, yes. And I see something that I don't recognize, and that's a promo card, and I honestly don't know from which set it is. To get a promo card, that's freaking epic. I didn't expect, honestly, I didn't know what to expect, but I didn't expect to see a promo card, because those can be quite a lot in value. I mean, if you compare them to the usual SSR, especially if it's from an older set, it would be golden. 5MO3, that's kinda old. Not gonna lie, it's up there. It's awesome, thank you. And I don't have that card, so I definitely didn't expect to get the card that I don't have. He doesn't only have the cards from a previous set, but also from older sets. I can't remember which set that is. 5MO7, that's quite recent, but I just don't remember this SSR. I really love the design of it. And we have another PR, that's fucking great. Who the fuck are you? Please focus, thank you. Oh man, the freaking pillars, the golden pillars, the shine, look at that. That's just awesome. Is it the same set? Yeah, it's also from 5MO3. That's freaking cool, man. Those cards, whoa, what the fuck is this? Whoa, damn, look at the shine. There's so much shine going on. All right, ooh, what the fuck's happening here, man, what? All right, so that's also just the singles. So you see you can get singles and also the cards that exist as sets that you can buy from God Story. That's probably from the same series that I just saw. Yup, who are you? Ooh. I felt the texture. Is that Fate? It looks like Fate just a little bit, but just the character is just too far away for me to know. Okay, now not anymore. Is this Fate? I don't know, man. I have Fate vibes, but it can be something else. We have an SR from Demon Slayer, and it looks like it's from some set. Yeah, definitely. When you see the character at the back, then you know it's like a single one, like a single printed card, not from a set, and this one is. Alright, cool, awesome. some Demon Slayer there. And then we have the last card today is also Demon Slayer. And the shine again, buddy. The shine of this one is so amazing. I love that. And that's also a single card. Alright, so now we are looking at his pay. Oh god damn, okay, hold up. Whoa, you didn't see that. You definitely see that. We came because he also has a lot of different awesome cards. Just like this, you see a lot of cards and you can buy all of the SSRs from this set. Same goes for the other rarity. Are those all SSRs? No, is this not SSR? It is SSR. There are two different sets from looks of it. Maybe all of them are different. I don't know. But you see the point. And for example, like, man, I wish I could buy an XR card from him, because XR cards of God the Story are quite difficult to get. They're not that common. They're kind of legendary, you know. If you have the one and you really want to get the card, you don't want to buy another boxes to, you know, gamble, you can just buy it from here. I haven't seen any single seller who would do such a thing. We also have even XRs from more olden sets. Like so some of them, this one is sold out, you know, because people actually bought it. That's kind of interesting rarity. I made an opening of this set, and for example, if I would want to buy a freaking Rin Tosaka card, then I could. He has also a lot to offer in terms of the certain sets. Like for example, here it's NS2 and 12, and you can buy all the special and not so special rarities. And that's my point. He doesn't only sell and freaking ultra rares. He also sells just an SSRs. Even the freaking slab cards from the large box of God the Story that I also opened, by the way, you also can buy them from him. Certainly there are few sellers that sell God the Story cards, like the singles, but I haven't seen one store to do it with such variety and also kind of completion. Like almost everything that I would expect from him, he does have it. He even has this shit. Those are the special cards that you get in 5MO8, I believe, of MO9. He has promo cards, so free run. By the way, maybe that's something for me to look at later. Ins rarities, MR rarities, and the prices, man. I really love that the prices are not over the top. His prices are just beautiful. What the fuck? I'm not a robot, fuck off. Dude, look at that. Look at that. I'm not a robot. Oh my god, skip. Can I skip? Oh my god, I can't. Does this count as a traffic light? I don't know. It didn't. Alright. Now we know. Yeah, this is from a very old set. This price checks out, trust me. And that's only the God the Story, by the way. He also has some Dragon Ball, One Piece, and Jujutsu Kaisen. And also I see some new, like, I don't know, what are those? What are those? A6 size, goddamn. What the fuck? How large are those? I don't know if they're from a set. Damn, okay. So for the last time, thank you guys for watching, and the link will be in the video description. Take a look, maybe there are some cards that you would like to get, and I'm happy to support this store because it's something else. He does it also very good, and a few cards that I bought for him before were very well received. I will see you in another one, Web Travelers.